the most important parts of your account is the settings tab. So if you come to settings in the sidebar, you've got here whether or not your email status is verified, which is very important. It will not let you access your account until after verification. So if you're having troubles getting verification, please reach out. Just go to the contact page on the site and send me a request or send me a message there, and I'll send you a manual verification. Just look out in your junk mail just in case it's filtered out as spam or something, and make sure you verify your account. Once you verify, you shouldn't have any troubles logging in, but if you do, I can also update your credentials with some temporary passwords so that you can log in and get that sorted out. You can edit your account information here. So I'll let you edit your username, your email, your current password is needed for changing your new password. But if you do not want to change your new password, just put in your current password to verify that you're updating your username or your email. You can also upgrade your subscription here. So you can go from Explorer to Aristocrat or Aristocrat to Kings. If you're after something bespoke, something custom, let's say you're a broker or an advisor and would like some custom charting or custom reporting, that feature that you want to send out to your customers, let us know, because there is a feature we're working on for that. So you can always reach out. And there is yearly subscriptions as well that you can sign up to, which give you a bit of a discount. So that's how you upgrade your subscriptions. If you click on any of these, it will take you to Stripe for managing the subscription. We have a Stripe integration, and it's all done through there. You can close your account here, which is a bit of a danger zone, so don't accidentally do that. But if you do, you can reactivate it in the first 30 days. If something happens and you're stuck, just let me know. But we don't want to stop people from being able to exit easily if they want to, so you can deactivate your account. If you don't wish to deactivate your account and lose your data and you just want to pause it, just reach out via the support area. Put in a billing inquiry and let me know. I can pause it at my end for you on our admin functionality. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, don't hesitate to go into the support function and send me a feature request or report a bug if you find something that is not right. We're pretty quick in fixing things and rolling out new functions, and we're very, very responsive to users' needs. So yeah, feel free to reach out at any time. Thank you.